Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Instagram activity status not showing. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Instagram application right over here. Then click on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. Once you've done that, click on the top right triple lines menu icon right over here. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and try to look for settings and privacy. And inside of settings and privacy, you want to simply go ahead and look for messages and story replies right over here. Tap on that. Once you've done that, click on show activity status and make sure this is turned on. If it is turned on and you're still facing this problem, try to turn it off for 5 to 10 seconds and then re-enable it. That should go ahead and fix your problem. If it still doesn't, then try to check if there is any update for Instagram. Open your App Store or Play Store. Simply go ahead and search for Instagram on the search bar. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on Instagram, and then there's going to be a little update button right over here. That is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.